What's up, guys? This is Mark here at Wired Kustoms Motorsports. Today we have two Linkswell radios, 12.1 inch. The first one's for this 2021 5.0 Mustang. We're going to swap out that radio. It's going to be a 12.1 out there. Yes, it's going to be tight. However, it is flush mounting for that car only. And we have a... All right, guys. So what this is just a stock picture of what it's going to look like. Once we're complete, I wanted to add that in there, and then we're going to move to another picture. This is another one. All right, I couldn't remember what that was. All right, we have the dash pulled apart there, and there she is. That is the radio.
What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Kustoms Motorsports. We have a
Mustang,
2021 Ford Mustang 5.0. We just installed the 12.1 inch Linkswell. Here you go. Check it out. If you know what this radio looks like from the factory, it is not fitting for the car that it's in. It has a little tiny little 4.3 inch screen and the backup camera. You can't even really tell what's going on. This is a massive upgrade, especially for a car of this caliber. This is, like I stated, a 5.0 Mustang. This should have a radio like this from the factory, in my opinion, but who am I to say that about? Anyways, this is it. That is a 12.1 inch screen. It is has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it has multiple USB ports, it has Wi-Fi. Yes, you can get on Google, you can check your email all through the radio. It will also display about 1 million other things that the factory radio cannot do. That's why Linkswell is at the top. It's at the top for a reason. There's two other manufacturers that create screens like this. However, I would tell you to stay away from them because they are junk. We're actually putting one in right now. I didn't want to do it, but it's for a car and I'm trying to help out the customer. He's probably going to have an issue. If it's not Linkswell, it's not worth spending money on. Mark, Wired Kustoms Motorsports, 682-500-4560. All right, guys, we just initiated this to pair up. It's going to have wireless Apple CarPlay here in just a minute. It's asking me to use CarPlay on my telephone. We're going to tell it yes. Now, the telephone is telling the radio it is okay to transmit information. I give it the authorization. There we go. Here is our Apple CarPlay. We're going to go to the home screen as we always would. And there we have it, guys. Apple CarPlay is wireless. No wires are plugged in. It does, however, have a charge port and another 2 USBs over there for this car. For the most part, everybody's pretty familiar with Apple CarPlay. I don't think I even need to go over that. However, if you guys are ready to order, 682-500-0209. Thank you.